As the Vice Chancellor of the University of Jaffna, I'm very glad to join with you all in this Sri Lanka Student Workshop on Computer Science 2021, which was inaugurated a decade ago, and this is a sixth one. And I really want to congratulate the Department of Computer Science, which was inaugurated 30 years ago, for conducting this wonderful program to give an opportunity for youngsters, the students, to show their innovative work and discoveries and creation to the other colleagues and scientists. So this system now, the computer science evolving very fast. I think with the invention of microchips in the 60s, 70s and the diodes in the 50s, now it has gone to the vast development of the engineering and technology and so on. Still, our science faculty contribute to the architecture and back-end development of coding and algorithms and so on and so forth. Now the computer science has come to the analytic part, so big data available. So our universe is 4 billion years old, and people think it's made of material at the beginning. Now they know, even though Einstein, famous top scientist Einstein and Stephen Hawking said, behind every atom there is a back-end program running, because they obey certain rules and coding is there. So big intelligence is operating in the back end of even the material universe. So my master used to tell me the intelligence is very important to have an intelligent decision, to make intelligent decisions. So every country they have their intelligence. India has a RAW, the Russian has a KGB, and the American has CIA. Now that intelligence has come to the Google and big data people and Facebook and so on. They have the big data, and scientists are now developing computer analytic, so that means handling the big data and come up with the intelligence supply to make intelligent decisions. So decision making is still a fundamental thing from ancient time. So now the decision making is the intelligence, data mining and analytic and big data business now come to computer scientists. So computer scientists are the pillars now, the most sought after people to make intelligent decision. So now the cyber world is so big, and not only limited to countries, this not only limited to globalized world, even it is a universal matter now. So ladies and gentlemen, this conference is going to expand, and every time we end up with new things. Not like as a mathematician from ancient time, the principle is same, although it's expanding our domain, but everything kept intact. But computer science, when you are not updating a thing, things become obsolete. So someone become outdated. So outdated means they can't progress in the computer science world. So IT world is so demanding, and this is what our computer science department realized. This annual conference for students, biannual conference, biennial conference, once in 2 years, is very important for the students engage themselves. And here I am very glad our keynote speakers, I want to express my gratitude. Leonard Wilkinson, a chief scientist from H2O Artificial Intelligence, California. So one of the most elite place. So we are glad to welcome him. And Dr. Jivika Ranavira, principal hardware engineer, Oracle. So Oracle, I was hearing about Oracle for a long time as a database providers. Now I see principal hardware engineers giving a talk. So our student is very blessed to have them. And Professor Muthukumar Sami is friend of mine and well known to me. So he's come from Griffith University to deliver keynote speakers. And IEEE Sri Lanka section members, Vice Chairman Vindhya Ran Kotehe and Agilan, editor IEEE section also coming. And also I would like to thank the sponsors 99X and University of Melbourne people and the University of Jaffna Research Committee for sponsoring this event. And it's a kind of a blessing for the youngsters to really engage themselves in the 4th of December in a very sort of distance mode. Actually is sad because normally we gather in a very good place in the Jaffna theatre, the conference theatre in the Qatar National Bank's conference auditorium. We normally meet and exchange and see the people. So this time everything is done in due to the pandemic in online mode. As a Vice Chancellor, I really want to greet everyone because this analytic big data business is taking over, and it's a huge challenge. And also I would like to end up my talk saying that pandemic actually paralyzed everything in the world, but actually world could able to revive because of the IT and video conferencing tools came as a rescue in the blended teaching and all of the methods. So actually just imagine, so the importance of this IT related, computer related, IT related information communication technology is more realized than ever before, and more investment being done, and we have a challenge for now conducting the exams in online mode. Is still not reliable softwares are not available. Reliable softwares we are seeking. So about the remote proctoring the exams, and there are new dimension coming, new business coming. So ladies and gentlemen, I really want to wish all the poster presenters and oral presenters and the organizers and the keynote speakers and the sponsors for them, actually greet them and also wish them to have a wonderful evening and the day of proceedings at the Sri Lankan students workshop on the computer science in Jaffna. And thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.